I first noticed this tool a few months ago when I was teaching somebody Instagram Reels. I was so jealous and couldn't wait till I finally got to use the feature. Well, it's here and I can't wait to share it with you. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use Instagram Reels' new dual camera feature. I'll be giving you some tips and showing you some of the footage I caught with it. Make sure you stick around to the end because I'm going to be giving you a really easy and cool looking Instagram Reel idea that you can go film today. So to access the new dual camera feature, it will be in your Instagram Reel camera. So go into Instagram Reels and here at the bottom, you'll see this camera with the plus sign on the lens. Press that. You're now in the dual camera. So with this, it's going to have this front-facing camera is going to be one, and then the rear-facing camera is going to be the other. You can flip which one's which by pressing the flip option, and whichever one's on this big one, so the bigger screen, you're able to pinch and zoom in, zoom out. So if you want to really show our teeth, there you go. Or just go out to normal. You can't go wide with it, but you can zoom in and zoom out. And you can move around that little icon too. So look, you can move this thing around. You can zoom in and out with it. So you can pretty much fill in the frame with yourself and then just have that cool filter on the outside. So it's like a border on the outside of whatever your background is. So this would be cool if, like, see here, I can do it with this background and then I can talk to camera and then have that cool border. So it's just a different look. When you're using this, I'm gonna make this one small again. With the big one, you're able to add effects to it, but you're only able to add effects to whichever one's the big screen. So here I can add effects to my face. And to add effects, you press the effects tab right down here. And then, so this is gonna give me all different effects. Let's see. A lot of these make me look scary. Oh, let's see the no filter effect. Yeah, really looks like I'm wearing no filter. So you can see, I can see, zoom in here, and it makes me look like I have a dull skin. But when you switch the cameras, so like the little guy, that's not gonna have the filter. So you see when I become little and the filter's on this front camera, then it's not going to be on both cameras. It's only on whichever camera is bigger at the moment. So to get rid of the filter, just press the filter thing again, the stars, and then press the filter, and then you're done with the filter. So to record with this now, you have a few options. So first one, if you just tap the record button, it's gonna start recording and it's going to continue recording until you press stop. If you hold down the button, as long as you're holding it down, it's going to record it, and then once you take your finger off of it, it's going to stop. You could also do it with the timer, so you can set your timer, press the button, it's gonna count you in, and now it's recording, and it's gonna continuously record until you press stop. Next thing about this is I want you to note that it's best if you save these, because you never know with drafts, they could go away, you could just lose them, and I don't want you to lose your stuff. So to save this, go to preview, and then here at the top, the arrow facing down with the line, that's the save button. And now I have it saved onto my camera roll. So to add a video clip, you just swipe up. So you can see I got this cool shot from my photo shoot this morning. Here is where I could scale or unscale. So if I moved that camera to a better spot, I could scale it or unscale it because I'm adding it as a clip. And then let's see what else I got. So you gotta swipe, when you swipe up to upload, you gotta make sure it's below where the black line is, because otherwise you won't be able to swipe up. So last night I went roller skating and I got some cool shots of me roller skating. So it's really fun to just try out new things with it and see what you create. If you create a reel using this dual camera, please tag me on Instagram. My Instagram is wonderful_Ida, and I will share your reel because I love hearing from you and knowing that my tricks are actually helping you. So please share it. Okay, and finally, I promised you I was going to show you how to make a reel that's going to be fun and easy for you to create. And I got this idea yesterday. So basically, it's a reel of you walking and you just film it in multiple spots. So let's go back into here and let's get rid of the ones I already filmed. So I'm just going to click on that, delete it. There we go. So now let's upload some of these walking ones that I've got recently. So there's some walking, and let's add some more walking. I did some more walking today at the beach. Here we go. There we go, add some walking here. And then I did walking this morning for my walk. There you go. So let's preview those. So you can see you can add some cool effects. So you can have your walking shots be the big one and your head be small, or vice versa, depending on how you want to do it. But it's just a fun way to play around. And say you want it to rotate from like which one to the next one. So let's just click on that, press the reorder button, and let's just put that in there. See, this is fun. You can just play around with it and get different effects of you doing different things, walking around, sharing what your weekend was like from your feet's perspective. You don't have to struggle putting together your Instagram reel. You could just use templates. Check out this video where I show you how to use Instagram reel templates. And remember, messy action is always better than no action. Until next time.